Hello and welcome to the application I did during the hackathon of ETH Global. The idea here is the MetaMask gate in. The idea is quite simple. I want to have a multiplayer game on a server, and I want people to be able to join the multiplayer game with MetaMask. So how does it work? You have a client, you press on the button, and it opens a JavaScript on GitHub page. This JavaScript is asking MetaMask, could you sign this number that the server sends me? And he say, yeah, I can sign it. So now that it's signed, I can take this number when it should be copied in the clipboard, but because of a bug, I need to copy it. I go in Unity, and I passed it over there. And ta-da, I'm connected. So this simple act allows me to not have native code in my application, so there is no native code here. The only stuff I'm doing here is signing a message, and because I have the three party of this message, as you can see, I have this message to sign, the public ID of the user, and the sign message. I'm able to say that the guy who signed this message is the guy owning the private key. And as the unique ID is generated on the server, I can guarantee that nobody copied this key or something. It's just the key of the server that is signed. And so that's allow me to allow a user to connect to my server without exposing the private key, and me being sure that he is the guy playing the character. And so yeah, that's kind of stupid, but it worked. Also, I did something that is a bit strange, but I need to talk about it, is that I did a server online that I put on my PC, and this server is doing basic functionality that you can do with Ethereum, but it's doing online because every time I try to do a sign, a verify, or plenty of small action that you should be able to do in a small piece of code, you have to import a full library in your Unity project. So what I decided to do is do some server that can do those actions, and like that I don't have the pain in the ass of the last months. So to give you an example, if you want to do some RSA key on Rust, I never succeed to do it. If you try to do specific action of RSA key on Unity, it's not supported. If you try to do some other cryptography stuff in JavaScript, you need special library, and sometimes it's not working or it's really complicated to make it work. And so if you have a server you can contact for those kind of action, then you don't need native code everywhere, you just need to contact the server. You lose a bit of the security, but when the server is running locally on your network for the server part, for the multiplayer server part, you don't have this kind of issue. But for the user it's easier, but they lose a bit of security. So yeah, that was the post-mortem of this beautiful project that was MetaMask gating. It was just an experiment to see if it's a good idea to do it, and as you can see, it worked. On that, have a great day. May the code be with you. See you in the real life. Bye.